Hey traders, I'm gonna give you some amazing pair this week. I'm gonna show you the best forex trading strategy going from 100 to 1000. This is the very first thing that we do, guys. I'm gonna show you USD 30. So here it is. Pay attention, guys. First, what's the very first thing that you're gonna pay attention? You're gonna always pay attention to your dashboard. The dashboard is gonna go for 1 minute all the way to 1 month. Here on the dashboard is telling us the 4 hours is in a buy, daily is in a buy. This is the way that I want you to look at the market, guys. If you don't know, guys, if you are struggling with the market, pay attention to this yellow box with the red arrow. When the yellow box with the red arrow comes in, boom, market is selling. When the yellow box with the green arrow shows up, market goes up. Same thing in here, look at that, it came back in. You get out on the next yellow box with the green arrow. Look at what happened in the past. So let me shrink the candle so you can see the whole thing, the whole picture. Let me erase everything. Actually, let me make a circle so you can see. Here's the yellow box with the green arrow. Look at what happened. Boom, market went up. Look at what the yellow box with the arrow, market dropped. Boom, you make money down. Here's your yellow box with the green arrow, market went up. Yellow box, market red. Boom, market drop. That's simple, guys. That is the very first thing that you always gonna pay attention, all right? And that's the best strategy that I can give you if you're struggling with the market. Just put a trade when the yellow box shows up with a red arrow and be patient, because the market will pay you, but it will pay you in a very slow movement. So some of you guys love to trade on the smaller time frame, right? So let me delete all this drawing that I just created. Let's go to 1 hour. Some of you love to trade. Actually, let's look it up on 30 minutes, right? The shorter you go on the lower time frame, more signals come in. That's what I love 1 hour, because in 1 hour you get less signal, but you will be making more money, to be honest. Look at here. Yellow box came in with a green arrow, market went up. Same thing, it came down, market dropped, market came back again, and it went up. So the way how I can tell you to trade is pay attention what the TW sniper interest telling you. If it's telling you selling, only look for sell. That's it. You need to look for this sales here. See that? When it come in, look at here, market is in a buy. Look only for those buy, because remember, the market is gonna have pullbacks, right? This is a pullback, so don't trade pullback if you don't know. This is a pullback, this is a pullback, this is a pullback. So if the market here is in a buy, only look for these buyers here, and bam. See, market, actually, let me see, market came here, market went back up, market dropped, market went back up again. Here's the yellow box, and it went up. So now let me show you another pair, real trade. So I'm gonna give you today one of the most traded pair in the world, and that is gold. Pay close attention what gold is gonna do. I'm not gonna give you the real trend yet, whatever the market is doing. You know what? Let me let's look at the dashboard. What's the dashboard telling you? Looking for 5 minutes all the way to 1 month. Guys, this was last week. The market closed on Friday as a buy trend. Look at the 4 hours and daily time frame. It's clearly telling you that we are here only going in one direction, and that is only going to the moon. What is the next thing? Always pay attention to the yellow box with the green arrow. Yellow box with the green arrow. Yellow box with the green arrow. And that's it. That's all you need to do. Now let's go to real data, real time, and let's talk about it, because here is the money. Look at the dashboard. The dashboard is right, guys. It's telling you that we are in a buy trend. Look at here. Here's your multiple time frame. Look at the stairs coming where? Going only in one direction. This is gold, guys. This is gold. If someone is telling you to take a sell on gold, good luck on you, guys. If anyone give you a signal to take a sell, good luck on you, because the market here is not selling, guys. Look at the yellow box with the green arrow. Where is it going? Look at here. Here it is, guys. It's only going in one direction. You never, ever, ever got any signal here saying to take a sell. Never, ever. Up to now, guys, this coming week, market will continue going up. How far is this bullish going to go? In my opinion, it's going to give you another few hundred pips coming up. And then we're going to get a yellow box with the red arrow coming down. That will be considered a pullback. Remember, the market here is only going in one direction, and bam, market will continue selling down as a pullback, and then market will retrace back to buy position. It's that simple, guys. Let me give you another fair pair. Guys, if I'm going too fast, bear with me. I don't want to confuse anyone, but I want to give you a real valuable lesson today. So let me give you Euro USD. Let me not give you the real data yet. Let's go ahead and analyze the market. Look at the dashboard, guys. What's the dashboard saying? 4 hours and daily time frame is saying, Irvin, take a buy, take a buy, take a buy. That's all it's telling me. It's not telling me anything else. It's not telling me, Irvin, take a sell. If you are selling Euro USD, good luck on you, because it's not doing that. Now, if you don't know how to trade, look for those yellow box with a green arrow. That's all you need to be doing. But let's go ahead and analyze real data, real trade, and see if the market is doing what I'm telling you right here, because it's very important, super important. Let's go ahead and analyze real data, because that's how you and I make hundreds and hundreds of pips on the market, right? So here it is. Pay close attention. Here's your multiple time frame, right? Boom. Here's your TW snap entry. Brand new, guys. Look at that. If someone tell you to take a sell, oh my God, man. I'm going to hit you in your head. Look at the yellow box. Where's the yellow box with the green arrow going? Simple, guys. Even if I remove everything from here, let me go ahead and remove all the indicators right here. Let's move the magic arrow. Let's move all the support and resistance. Let's remove everything so you can see it, because I want you to see the whole damn picture, guys. Let's remove the Fibonacci, because I don't want to show you anything than just the real data. Look at that. You can just leave it plain, guys. You can just leave the multiple time frame with the yellow box and so be it. Keep it simple, sweet. Here's your multiple time frame. Look at this there. You should be looking only for buys. Yes, the market is gonna give you a pullback like it happened here, right? It's gonna give you a pullback this week. This is what I think the market is gonna do, guys. Market is very bullish. It's still gonna go all the way retesting this previous multiple time frame. And here we're gonna get a pullback coming to the same low where it is right now. And then boom, market will continue on that buy trend. It's very clear. You are seeing that buy, guys. It's not doing anything else, okay? Please, guys. Let me give you another ones. This pair is gonna be Euro GBP. I'm gonna give you with all the indicators on it, all right? Look at the dashboard, guys. This is so beautiful, guys. Look at the dashboard. Damn, 4 hours in daily time frame is telling you that Euro GBP is only selling. Look, guys, look. There's no way that you're gonna get confused. Since when is Euro GBP selling, guys? Look at the dashboard, guys. It's told you the market is selling. Look at the TW sniper entry selling. Look at here, boom, selling. Look at the stairs, guys. Where's the stair hitting? Market has been selling, guys. Since when? Basically since August, guys, and we are in September. So market be selling for going to 2 months, guys. There's money in there. Trade with the trend. The trend is only what you need to be trading, guys. Don't trade what I'm telling you. Don't trade what your neighbor is telling you. Don't trade what signals providers are telling you. Trade with the trend. The trend is the only way that you are going to be trading, guys. The market is only heading selling, and that's all should be all what you need to be doing. That's it. What is the real data doing, guys? Because market here, the market be selling for what, 2 months? This is my goal here. This is what I'm seeing on the market. Market will push another 100 pips coming down. Boom, coming down. What is gonna happen from here, guys? We are gonna get a reversal. Where's that reversal? So the 4 hours is gonna turn green, the 1 hour is gonna turn green, the 30 minutes is gonna turn green, the 50 minutes is gonna turn green, and guess what? Market is gonna go all the way to this previous multiple time frame, yes, and then it will reverse back down. So all I can tell you is the Euro GBP is still selling. Yes, it will give us a pullback. When is that gonna happen? I just don't know. Maybe it's gonna happen on Thursday, next Friday. I just don't know. But get ready, guys. If you're having a hard time to look at the market this way, guys, don't trade that way. Best thing you can do is trade the way how I gave you Euro USD, clean and plain, and just trade with the colors. And there's no way you're gonna get confused. Look at that. If it's TW snapper interest telling you to take a buy, just take a buy based on the yellow box with the green arrow. That's it. If it's telling you the TW snapper interest selling, only sell, guys. Don't trade pullback if you don't know how to trade pullback. Only trade sell. That's it. Look at when it was bullish. Only trade bullish market. Look at how much money you're gonna make with the trend, guys. Boom, market is the boss. Look at when it's selling. Boom, you make market. Look at this is a boom buy. This is another sell. Boom. Look at what the real trend is doing right now on Euro USD. Boom. That's it. It's very simple, very straightforward. Hopefully, guys, you guys are finding value on this video. Please, guys, don't pay any signals provider. Learn how to trade, and let's make hundreds of dollars trading this best strategy here on the Forex Trading, and going from $100 to $1,000. And hopefully everyone stays safe, and I will see you guys on the next video. Hasta la vista. Peace out.